Welcome to Divine Heights, a landmark property by Patil Developers. A unique property amid greenery with easy access to all the major parts of the city, having 5 connectivity in 5 minutes. You can now live right in the city while experiencing tranquil living of nature. Located on the Devashil Road, it is just a stone's throw away from the Deva Rail Junction. Living here gives you the benefit of easy and fast commute to the railway station, which is an unparalleled convenience that you receive here. While driving to the railway station, you come across important landmarks of the region. From a serene lake to an English school, a hospital and a park, you have it all here. You also have close connectivity to Shilpata, which is a major circle from where you can travel to various parts of the city with ease. As you go south on the Devashil Road, you are greeted with the Kodaba cricket ground and vast green spaces to uplift your mood. As you reach Shilpata, you have the option to travel to Thane, Navi Mumbai, upcoming international airport near Panvel, Kalyan, Dombivli, fast without any hassle. The under-construction Airoli tunnel, which is going to cut travel time significantly between Navi Mumbai and Deva, is just 5 minutes away from your opulent abode, and the first phase of the tunnel should be soon operational. You can enjoy superior connectivity to Airoli and Mulund once the tunnel opens. You reach the tunnel from your home by driving through Devashil Road. You also have major landmarks like the Bharat Gears and Dosti Foundation School here. Soon this location will be felt as Upper Airoli. Another major connectivity advantage of the project is the ease of commuting to the center of Thane via the Thane-Shil Road. The Kalyan Devashil Road, when completed, will directly join your home with the Kalyan Shilpata Road, cutting off the busy Shilpata junction entirely, empowering you to travel to Kalyan and Dombivli with ease. As you saw, living at Divine Heights comes with its own set of advantages. Living right in the middle of 5 crossroads, while still enjoying the greenery and tranquility, is a convenience worth having. Now live and breathe nature, while enjoying in your idyllic home. You will never have to miss appointments anymore, or leave your homes hours in advance just to reach on time. Live in the city while you breathe nature. Divine Heights comes with the option of luxurious studio, 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartment. Divine Heights come with the option of luxurious studio, 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartment. Choose your home and start living here.